So it's going to be a quick unboxing of the new GoPro Hero9 Black. This is the company's latest action camera, successor to the Hero 8 Black last year. This new version brings a number of features, including Hyper Smooth 3.0, 20 megapixel image photos, up to 5K video at 30 frames a second. You can also do 4K at 60 frames. Still waterproof up to 33 feet or 10 meters, and now include 1080p live streaming. All sorts of other features like Time Warp 3.0. And also the front screen has been increased in size as well as the back screen. So yeah, so let's check inside the box. Another thing that's changed this year is that the packaging for the actual camera has changed. It comes with a nice carrying case, which you can keep all your accessories and your GoPro in. This is what the Hero 8 came in. Not very useful after you unbox the camera, but this is a little bit more practical. It's kind of hard shell, has GoPro logo, nice zipper. I'm guessing it might be water resistant, but not sure. So here we have some manuals and stuff. That's where you can subscribe to GoPro's subscription service. You have USB-C to USB-A cable. Battery, which is now increased compared to last year's. It is now I believe 1700 milliamps, 1720 milliamps versus around 1200 for the Hero 8 Black. Got a mount type of thing. Another with a kind of 3M stickiness. This is so you could mount the camera to all different sorts of mounts and whatnot. And then here's the camera itself. As you can see here, here's the back screen, which is slightly bigger than last year. And then the front screen is now a proper screen. Instead of it just showing your record time and whatnot, you can actually use it as a viewfinder. So if you want to vlog or whatnot. Still has the kind of prong so you can mount it. No external housing really needed. This is where the battery and SD card go, as well as a USB-C port. Mode / power button. Yeah, so compared to the Hero 8 Black, it's much thicker in size, significantly bigger, but I guess that's to help incorporate the bigger battery, which powers the new bigger screens and also the 5K video support. So yeah, that's been a quick unboxing of the GoPro Hero.